Welcome guys to another episode on the Extra Mile. My name is Alex and welcome to another Merc Monday. Today I have a little cosmetic update for you. We will install a lovely little carbon fiber trim piece in the center console and replace a slightly worn out plastic piece, and we have the front strut bar installed. So let's get right into it. Alright, so let me show you what we will replace here today. I hope that you will agree that this is a really nice update for the interior. So let me show you what that is. So this is the piece that we will replace. If I zoom in right there, alright, now you can see it. There is quite a bit of worn out plastic here on the side and on top here. It just doesn't look very good. So what I have instead is this lovely piece, which looks a lot better. Look at that lovely carbon fiber here. And we will also get rid of this part here, which well, it looks a little bit cheap. I think it's a little bit rubbery and I never really like the look of it. So instead of that, we will just have these nice chrome rings here, and the carbon fiber should match the carbon fiber that is in the center console already. So yeah, that should be pretty nice. In theory, the install is very easy. All that we have to do is unscrew this little Torx bolt, and then we should be able to pull this off. But before we do that, let's take a look at the front strut bar. There it is. Look at that beauty. Isn't that nice? I did not film the installation because it's really extremely simple. All that you have to do is undo those 3 bolts, put the strut bar on there and bolt it back on, and that is it. I will do a separate video about the effects of this because they're really very noticeable and it's quite interesting, I think. But yeah, just a quick little update. Let's get to the trim piece. Huh, that's interesting. Look what popped out here. Actually, now that I know that I can pull this off, I might think about wrapping this in gloss black. That might be an option, but for now I think we will leave it off. Okay, so let's see. Oh yes. And there it is. That was easy. All right, screw back in. Lovely. Oh, I'm really happy with that. Alright, let me show you guys in detail. Alright, check this out. That looks awesome. So much nicer than before. Really happy with that. Really upgrades the look of the center console. It fits great with the carbon fiber that's already there. Awesome. Really like that. Alright guys, I think this is it for today. Today is really a short episode, but I will do a detailed episode about the front and rear strut bar, about the effects, because there are effects and it's quite surprising. I was hoping that there would be a noticeable effect on the handling. I mean, there should be, why else would you install them? But there really is, and I think I've identified 3 major areas where you can feel a difference with the strut bars installed. And so I will make a separate video about that probably on Wednesday. And yeah, it's really very interesting. It's a very good addition to the car, the strut bars. And yeah, so this is it for today's episode, guys. I will see you in the next week. Bye bye.